Hello dear students, welcome to our channel Pharma Creations. The exam form filling of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University has been started for summer examination 2022. You can fill the examination form for semester 4, semester 6 and semester 8 also. Semester 8 students are well known about this portal, so they can fill their examination form from their login with their subject selection. Semester 6 students also have to fill their examination form with their subject selection from their login, but those students who are directly admitted in second year B Pharmacy in the academic year 2020-21 who are currently in the semester 6, they have to apply for these two subjects, that is pharmaceutical engineering, for this summer 2022 examination. So today's video is for this direct second year admitted students of academic year 2020-21. So let's see how to do this subject selection at student login. This is your login page. Link is given in the description box for this login page. Here you have to click on student login. Enter your username, that is your 13-digit PRN number. Then enter your password, which is your registered mobile number. Click on login. Here first of all you have to check your profile. In the profile your details are given. Your admission year is given, that is 2021. Then your active course year is 3rd. Then active programs are SEM 5 and SEM 6. So now you have to fill the examination form for semester 6. Regular third year students also have to fill this examination form for summer semester examination 2022. So here you can see submission is pending. So click on view button. Here you can see the semester 6 subjects which are in auto selected mode. The direct second year students of semester 6 have to select these two additional subjects, that is 304T and BP 308P, Pharmaceutical Engineering Theory and Pharmaceutical Engineering Practical. These two are the additional subjects. These are only for direct admitted students of semester 6. Those students who are regular students of semester 6, they don't have to do this selection. They have to only apply with this auto selected subjects. After this the subject selection, click on submit. Here the fees will be displayed, that is 1000 fees is given. Click on pay button for the payment. This payment you have to do by online mode, by using credit card, debit card or by using UPI payments. Here you can see the mobile number is given and email ID is given. Email ID verification is required for this payment process. So send OTP by email, you have to click over here. If anybody wants to change this mobile number and email ID, you can change it over here. If your active mobile number and email ID is not present in this pay details, you can update it over here and just click on send OTP by email or for your mobile number and verify your mobile number and email ID with OTP. You will get the OTP on your email ID. Just enter it. Enter the OTP which you have received on your email. Click on verify. Here the status will be seen, that is verified. So in this way you can verify your mobile number and email ID. Then click on I accept the terms and conditions and click on proceed. Here click on yes. Here the steps are given, that is first step is fill correct information which is required, contact details required, make the payment and get the receipt, and last one is download and print the receipt. Then click on continue. Here the three options are given for the payment, that is card payment, net banking and UPI. Out of these three, the payment will be successful by using card payment. So here I am selecting the card payment option. By using credit card and debit card you can do this payment. Here you have to enter your card number. You can use the card of anybody. After entering the card details, click on proceed. You will get the OTP on your registered mobile number. The mobile number should be linked with your bank account. On that mobile number you will receive the OTP. Just enter that OTP over here and click on submit. For any query you can ask me in the comment section. Keep watching this channel for more updates of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University. Thank you.